What's up, YouTube? It's Pistol Pete doing the review on the Sailun. I can't remember the name of the tires right now that I just got. So my earlier video was the chalk testing, and if you watched that, cool, thank you. If you didn't, you should go back and watch it, check it out. So chalking tires is really good for making them last longer. My last set of tires that I mentioned in the first video, the Kelly Edge MTs, I had those suckers for like 63,000 miles on my truck. So really good mileage out of those guys. Very happy. They don't make those tires anymore, so I'm trying these Sailuns. Yeah, so this is the first drive. I've driven them. I basically drove from the tire shop to home so that I could do the chalking. And if you watch the chalking video, we noticed a little bit of difference between the 12 ply versus the 10 ply. I took the tire pressures down right around where I personally feel comfortable having them for handling purposes and to keep the tread wearing as evenly as possible. So the Kellys I got flat, but they were 10 plies. These are 12 plies, so I'm having a little bit of a patch right on the edges of the treads where I still got my chalk. So this is kind of the continuation of the chalk test video, I guess, but it's also the first impressions of the tires. So far I got up to about 50 miles an hour, and so far one of the biggest things I notice is road noise. Those Kellys, being mud tires or mud terrain M/Ts, they were definitely noisier on the road. Even when they were new, they had a little bit of noise to them, but it wasn't something that I couldn't deal with, right? But as they wore, because of worn out shocks, I started to have some cupping issues. They started to be a little bit noisier. So one thing I'm noticing with these tires is, even I'm doing 52 miles an hour right now, they are pretty quiet. So I'm liking that. This truck is my daily driver and my commuter vehicle. I do about anywhere from 12 to 1,500 miles a month in this vehicle. So having a nice ride and a quiet ride is actually kind of a nice thing. So yeah, but so far I'm liking them. The handling seems good. They're quiet, and I'm kind of enjoying that. I've been rocking those mud tires for the last 4 years, and yeah, sweet. Liking them so far. We'll get back to the video when I'm going a little faster. All right, you guys, we are doing 70 miles an hour now, and I can tell you that the sound is definitely very different than the mud tires. Yeah, just sounds like your regular old whatever tires on the road. There might be a tiny bit more noisy than like an actual highway tread tire because they're still pretty aggressive, but the noise coming off these is nothing like the MTs were. I love those tires. I've said it so many times in this video series, but really digging that the road noise is significantly quieter. Yeah, you can always turn up the radio, right? But sometimes it's nice to just chill out and enjoy the silence, not listen to your tires howl. So digging that. They seem pretty stable. One thing I noticed too on my wheels is I honestly didn't notice like any tire weights. I haven't like crawled underneath my truck yet and looked inside. Maybe they did. Well, I don't know. These fuel wheels, I don't know if you can clip on weights on the inside. The old tires had stick-on weights. I didn't really see any weights. So these tires might be balanced really well, like from the factory, which is cool. Like I've got really no shake, no vibration. Everything's tracking really good. So far, overall first impression, very good. It's 81 degrees, says the truck right now. So I can't really, and it's sunny, so I can't really put these to the test in any kind of weather at this point. It's still nice and almost summertime like where I live right now, but snow's coming soon. So let's get up the road a little bit and see what they feel like at 80, which is where I live, the interstate. You can go 80 miles an hour. So that's where I usually cruise at when I'm cruising down the interstate. All right, so here's 80 miles an hour. Honestly, just the tiniest change in tire noise. Still nothing like the old Kellys. These things are pretty much whisper quiet compared to what I had before, so I'm pretty happy about that. Handling seems really good. No vibrations coming off of them. Pretty happy honestly. Can't wait for it to start snowing. Yeah, good tires so far. Pretty pleased. So if you guys like this video, give it the old thumbs up, give it a little subscribe, because I'll be reviewing these tires throughout the winter and giving you guys my honest thoughts and feedback. And maybe next winter I get a set of like the nicest tires that money can buy, and we'll kind of do like a winter by winter comparison. Like, does tires actually change? Do tires actually change based on the brand, right? How they handle. Are you wasting your money on the name brand, like on the Nittos, or what? You know. So, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you later. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Did the chalk wear off? I'm driving at highway speeds. Let's take a look. So, you can see it's touching here and there. It's rubbing a little bit. So I think I'm gonna stay here with the tire pressure. This is like part 3 of the tire pressure game. Let's see. I can't even see it on the front tires, which tells me I'm probably good on the fronts at 50. And the rears, yeah, just a tiny, here you can see it just a little bit, right there, just still just not quite touching on the edge. So I might end up taking it down to 30, but we'll see. Thanks for watching. Later.